The Niagara River, calm and serene, reflecting a clear blue sky. A lone sailboat glides peacefully in the distance.
Have you ever wondered about the powerful forces that shape our world, carving landscapes of breathtaking beauty and immense power? And why do some places hold an enduring magic, drawing millions to their embrace? Today, we embark on a journey to a place where nature's grandeur meets human ingenuity, a place known to indigenous people as the Neck, or the Thundering Water. Our story begins with the majestic Niagara Falls, a trio of colossal waterfalls nestled at the southern end of the dramatic Niagara Gorge. Spanning the international border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA, this natural wonder is a testament to the raw power of water. Imagine the sheer volume. During peak daytime hours, an astounding 168,000 cubic meters of water plunge over these falls every single minute. That's enough to fill nearly 70 Olympic-sized swimming pools in just 60 seconds. Behold this spectacle. The largest of the three, the magnificent Horseshoe Falls, also known as the Canadian Falls, gracefully straddles the international border, its verdant green waters a testament to the colossal amounts of dissolved salts and rock flour constantly being churned.
The sheer drop of Horseshoe Falls, showing the incredible power of the water. Mist rises dramatically from the base.
This isn't just a pretty sight. Horseshoe Falls is, in fact, the most powerful waterfall in North America, as measured by its astonishing flow rate. Its thunderous descent creates a mesmerizing mist that dances in the sunlight, often creating stunning rainbows.
A distinct shot of American Falls, with its jagged, boulder-strewn base, highlighting the difference from Horseshoe Falls.
To its side, the equally captivating American Falls lies entirely within the United States. Its unique character is defined by the colossal boulders scattered at its base, creating a more segmented and dramatic cascade.
Bridal Veil Falls, emphasizing its slender, elegant appearance, separated by Luna Island.
And finally, the delicate Bridal Veil Falls, a whisper of a waterfall compared to its powerful siblings, is gracefully separated from American Falls by the tiny Luna Island. Together, these three form a symphony of water, each playing its own distinct part in this grand natural orchestra. The mighty Niagara River, the lifeblood of these falls, acts as a crucial conduit, draining the vast waters of Lake Erie into the expansive Lake Ontario. This powerful connection is what fuels the continuous flow and awe-inspiring force of Niagara. But how did this wonder come to be? Our journey through time takes us back to the end of the Wisconsin glaciation, the last ice age. As the colossal glaciers receded, they carved a path, shaping the land and forming the Great Lakes, whose overflow meticulously sculpted the Niagara Escarpment, setting the stage for the falls we see today. For centuries, indigenous peoples revered this sacred place, and later, early European explorers were equally captivated by its raw beauty. But with awe came ambition, and the story of Niagara Falls is also one of complex human interaction with nature. In the 1870s, access to Niagara Falls was often restricted, and entrepreneurs sought to capitalize on its allure, sometimes at the expense of its natural integrity. Industrialization loomed, threatening to dissect Goat Island for further commercial development, a challenge for both nature and the early visionaries. This growing threat sparked a powerful conservation movement known as Free Niagara. Visionaries like Hudson River School artist Frederick Edwin Church, landscape designer Frederick Law Olmsted, and architect Henry Hobson Richardson rallied to protect this natural treasure. Goat Island, in particular, served as a poignant inspiration for the American side of this conservation effort. Its untouched beauty moved William Dorsheimer to bring Olmsted to Buffalo, a pivotal moment that helped launch Olmsted's illustrious career.
Historical documents or plans of the Niagara Reservation, emphasizing the idea of public ownership and preservation.
Their efforts culminated in a crucial report advocating for state purchase, restoration, and public ownership of the lands surrounding the falls. It was deemed a sacred obligation to mankind to restore Niagara's former glory. On April 30th, 1885, their dedication bore fruit. New York Governor David B. Hill signed legislation creating the Niagara Reservation, New York's very first state park. This landmark decision marked a turning point, safeguarding a masterpiece of nature for generations to come. Not to be outdone, our Canadian neighbors established the Queen Victoria Niagara Falls Park that same year. Today, the Niagara Parks Commission meticulously governs land usage along the entire Niagara River, ensuring its preservation from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario. Olmsted and Calvert Vaux, his esteemed colleague, further detailed plans to restore the falls, emphasizing the importance of restoring and conserving the natural surroundings, rather than attempting to add anything thereto. Their vision was for access that enhanced, not diminished, the fall's inherent beauty. Today, a delicate balance is maintained between Olmsted's idyllic vision and the realities of administering a world-renowned scenic attraction. Thoughtful additions like observation towers and walking paths allow millions to experience the fall's majesty without compromising its essence. While enduring, Niagara Falls is not immutable. The sheer force of the water causes a constant, albeit slow, erosion, retreating approximately 30 centimeters each year. A gentle reminder that even the most powerful natural wonders are perpetually shaped by time. In a monumental engineering feat of 1969, a temporary rock and earth dam completely diverted the Niagara River from American Falls for several months. This bold move allowed engineers to study the riverbed and strengthen any faults, slowing the fall's natural retreat. And then, in November 1969, with a controlled blast, the temporary dam was removed, restoring the powerful flow to American Falls. It was a remarkable demonstration of humanity's dedication to understanding and preserving this natural marvel. However, the relentless march of commercial interests continues. On the Canadian side, a striking skyline of hotels now rises, significantly altering the landscape. This rapid urbanization presents a complex challenge, impacting everything from local breezes to the very mist that defines the falls. Yet the spirit of preservation endures. In 2013, New York State embarked on a noble effort to renovate the charming Three Sisters Islands. Funds were dedicated to rebuilding walking paths and reintroducing native vegetation, ensuring these vital natural spaces thrive for future generations. The very name Niagara is steeped in mystery and history. Theories abound, from the Native American word Angiara meaning thundering water, to Iroquoian interpretations referencing the neck, or point of land cut in two. Each theory speaks to the profound impact this place had on its earliest inhabitants. As the region grew, so did the need for connection. The first bridge to span the formidable Niagara River, a daring suspension bridge above the gorge, opened in July 1848, a marvel of engineering for its time. Then came the innovative Niagara Falls Suspension Bridge in 1855, a two-level wonder accommodating both carriages and the powerful Great Western Railway. This bridge played a critical, yet often untold, role in history. This bridge became a silent hero, a crucial pathway on the Underground Railroad, guiding runaway slaves to freedom in Canada. It stands as a powerful symbol of hope and liberation, bridging not just physical divides but also the chasm of human suffering. The bridges of Niagara have faced their own trials. The beloved Honeymoon Bridge, a steel arch bridge closer to the falls, tragically succumbed to a massive ice jam in January 1938, a stark reminder of nature's formidable power. From the ashes of that collapse, a new icon emerged. In 1941, the elegant Rainbow Bridge opened, a symbol of resilience and continued connection between the two nations. Its graceful arch now welcomes countless travelers, offering breathtaking views of the falls. Beyond its beauty, Niagara Falls has long been recognized for its immense potential. As early as 1750, Daniel Joncaire built a small canal to power his sawmill, a humble beginning to a much larger story of harnessing nature's might. The Industrial Revolution brought ambitious minds. In 1881, Jacob F. Schulkopf's pioneering hydroelectric generating station transformed the fall's raw power into direct current electricity, illuminating village streets and powering local mills. By the late 19th century, with the backing of industrial titans like J.P. Morgan and the Vanderbilts, massive underground conduits were constructed, feeding powerful turbines that generated staggering amounts of alternating current. This electricity reached as far as Buffalo, 32 kilometers away, powering a new era. Today, Niagara remains the largest electricity producer in New York State, with a generating capacity of 2.4 gigawatts. Up to 75% of the Niagara River's flow is expertly diverted through massive tunnels, churning out clean, renewable energy. To safeguard the fall's natural beauty, a crucial 1950 treaty between the U.S. and Canada meticulously limits water diversion. This ensures an unbroken curtain of water flows over the falls, especially during peak tourist season, preserving its visual grandeur. Even in winter's icy grip, the International Niagara Board of Control works tirelessly. An ingenious 2,700-meter-long ice boom prevents dangerous ice buildups, allowing water to flow downstream while maintaining power production and protecting shoreline properties. Innovation continues. In 2013, the colossal Niagara Tunnel project was completed, a 10.2-kilometer-long water diversion tunnel. This feat of engineering further boosted power production, providing clean energy for approximately 160,000 homes. As evening descends, Niagara transforms into a breathtaking spectacle. Floodlights from the Canadian side illuminate both falls, painting them in a kaleidoscope of colors that dance against the night sky, creating an unforgettable experience for millions. The oldest and most beloved attraction, the Maid of the Mist boat cruise, has carried passengers into the thundering rapids below the falls since 1846. Feel the spray on your face, hear the roar in your ears, and immerse yourself in nature's raw power. But the adventure doesn't end there. Soar above the falls in a helicopter for an unparalleled view, descend into the journey behind the falls to feel its immense power from within, or experience the exhilarating Whirlpool Aero car. From the Skylon Tower's panoramic vistas to the thrilling Cave of the Winds, Niagara offers a myriad of perspectives. Niagara Falls is more than just a destination. It's a living, breathing testament to nature's enduring power and beauty. It's a place where history, engineering, and the sheer force of water converge, leaving every visitor with a profound sense of wonder and a deep connection to the Earth's magnificent artistry. Come and let the thundering waters of Niagara Falls captivate your soul.